A firm's greatest strength is not the software it uses, but the people behind it. Yet many organizations find themselves trapped in a cycle of recruitment, losing valuable expertise whenever experienced engineers leave. The result is not just an HR problem. It is a structural challenge that affects every aspect of project delivery. Delays, inconsistent quality, and lack of genuine collaboration are symptoms of deeper weaknesses in how teams are built and managed. To address these challenges, engineering firms must create systems that foster stability, trust, and allow teams to function as seamless extensions of their partners. The causes of project delays are often misunderstood. Managers often blame shifting specifications, tight deadlines, or client demands, but these visible pressures rarely explain the full picture. The real obstacles are less obvious. Teams experience an exhausting feast or famine cycle, swinging between periods of overload and downtime. Engineers burn out under pressure, then lose focus when work becomes sporadic. Quality varies from project to project, undermining trust between partners. Motivation erodes as engineers feel they are merely performing tasks rather than growing or contributing meaningfully. When this cycle repeats, progress slows, mistakes multiply, and top talent begins seeking opportunities elsewhere. Breaking this cycle requires treating collaboration as a system rather than a product of individual personalities. Successful firms design environments that balance stability with professional growth. AXA Engineers, for example, has invested in structured development programs to prioritize retention and continuity. Such programs preserve knowledge, maintain consistent performance across projects, and demonstrate how workforce stability can become a strategic asset. Firms that invest in their people gain the consistency necessary to scale with confidence. Psychological safety is another foundation for collaboration. Engineers must feel secure in raising issues, questioning processes, and acknowledging mistakes without fear of blame. Effective frameworks combine three elements: wise leadership that doubles as mentorship, cohesive teams built on trust and shared responsibility, and systems that document institutional knowledge in clear standard operating procedures. AXA Engineers' Three Treasures illustrates how structure can turn psychological safety from an abstract concept into a practical, operational reality. Quality assurance must be embedded throughout the workflow, not left to final stage reviews. Multi-layered checks, including self-assessments, peer reviews, and managerial oversight, prevent errors from accumulating and ensure deliverables meet consistent standards. This approach reduces variability, strengthens trust between partners, and avoids costly rework. Firms applying such frameworks gain reputations for reliability, a critical factor in long-term partnerships. Expertise develops through mentorship, exposure, and hands-on learning. AXA Engineers uses a dual strategy: direct mentorship from senior professionals and cultural immersion through international placements. This allows engineers to acquire technical standards while understanding partner contexts and expectations. The result is precision in design, alignment with local procedures, and teams that remain competitive in global markets. Beyond skills and systems, sustainable collaboration requires purpose. People burn out not from hard work, but from work that feels meaningless. Successful firms connect everyday tasks to a broader mission. Models like the five-pointed star, which align projects with value for clients, employees, partners, communities, and the planet, help engineers see their contributions as part of something larger. A grading plan is no longer just a technical drawing. It becomes a step towards sustainable communities and advancing engineering knowledge on a global stage. Taken together, these strategies form a practical operating system for collaboration. Stability reduces turnover and preserves knowledge. Psychological safety empowers teams to solve problems collectively. Rigorous quality assurance ensures reliability. Mentorship and immersion build true expertise. And purpose keeps teams motivated and connected to the impact of their work. AXA Engineers provides one example of how these ideas can be applied, but the lessons extend far beyond a single firm. Collaboration is not a gamble based on personalities or luck. It is a system that can be designed. Firms that embrace this approach move from reactive firefighting to proactive engineering of their teams. By embedding stability, trust, quality, expertise, and purpose into operations, engineering organizations can deliver projects efficiently and secure long-term partnerships that fuel sustainable growth. Follow AXA Engineers to explore how optimized collaboration, structured workflows, and a focus on people can transform civil engineering projects and develop high-performing, resilient teams.